beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogwebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this very creamy and satisfying oatmeal recipe. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So in my pot I have my water, and that's about 3.5 cups, and I'm gonna bring this to a boil. So after then, I'll add in my oats. Okay, so I used about 1/3 cup of oatmeal here. So I'm gonna stir everything together, and while stirring, when you are done, it depends on your consistency, the consistency you are going for. Okay, so I'll add in sugar. You can also use any sweetener of choice, okay, but I'll be using sugar here. And I'll stir everything till I get the consistency I am going for. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support, and I'm not taking your love for granted, okay? And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, stay connected, and give this video a thumbs up, okay? Oatmeal are among the healthiest grain on earth. They are gluten-free, whole grain, and a great source for important vitamins, minerals, and fiber. And they are also antioxidants. Okay, the benefit is so much that you will definitely enjoy this. You can use oatmeal for weight loss. Oatmeal can also improve your blood sugar. It can also lower your cholesterol level. I'd love you to try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.